Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video, one of our short video series that we conduct every Monday and Thursday. And in today's short video, we're taking a look at GBPCHF, or pound against the Swiss franc, and we take a look at how the structures look and what are the probabilities or possibilities there. Right, so if one looks at this instrument from the lows of March 2020, one can see a three-wave move to the upside, right? Then what appears to be a possible three-wave move to the downside. Okay, and one would expect a possible further three-wave move to the upside as well. And if that is the case in Elliott wave terms, this peak here would signify or would be labeled a possible W, and its correction would be labeled X, and the last three-wave moves to the upside to complete the cycle from March 2020 low would be labeled Y, and that is in Elliott wave terms. So the question is whether the X here, since we are pretty much still around this area, whether this X here is done, or whether we're going to see more downside before we see upside for the X. So if this is W and we propose this is X, the question is this X done? Or can we see something like this for this X to be here before we see a move to the upside for the Y? So that becomes the question. So if price continue lower and break this low here where we may sort of propose that X is done, then likely X will be lower. Or if price somehow continues higher and breaks this peak here, then X would be in place or set right there. Right? So these are the two possibilities. I would like to present to you on a 1 hourly time frame a labeled possibility, which is not necessarily a high probability labeling. It could be, it also could be a low probability labeling. So in line with what I've just presented, proposing that X may be completed there, one may say this is a 1 in a lower degree, in this case a white degree, 2 in a white degree, and that becomes a 1 in an even lower degree, blue in this case, and 2 in blue as well. And then this could become 1 in yellow. One may also place it there, and this becomes 2 in yellow, and we're looking for more upside. So for this view to be valid and to hold, this price here, here it's right here right now, should not go below this, because if it does, then it invalidates, should not go below this level here, because if it does go below that, it invalidates the start of 1. It goes below the start of 1. And for the view in blue to hold, price should not go below that level, because 2 cannot go below the start of 1, right? Needless to say, price should not go lower than this level there for this view to hold, right? So this view, for this view to hold, price would especially need to remain above this level here and continue higher, right? Otherwise, if it keeps on going lower and breaks below, then we might just be having a corrective structure here for more downside, meaning X may be lower as presented earlier, right? So that's what we're looking at. But if price keeps going higher and breaks above this peak here, especially above that one there, then we're expecting more upside and would be more certain that the X is completed, right, over there. So what we have here may be something like this for these 2 in blue to be there. We may not be in 1 in yellow and 2 in yellow yet. So we may have something like this, a regular flat corrective structure before we see a move to the upside for wave 3 in blue, with wave 2 in blue being in that area there instead of here. And nonetheless, the price would still be remaining above this level here, which is a crucial level for this for the view that we are presenting now, this labeled view to remain valid. Otherwise, if price breaks lower, then X would be lower there. So two scenarios. The question then becomes, which one is more probable? And we answer that question in one of our course modules at www.trading-waves.com, this website address here. It's our home address where we are located in case you want to become part of the family and learn how to determine which one becomes, in the case of more than one possibilities, which one becomes, or rather becomes a preferred view on the basis of the level of the probability of that view occurring. All right, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we looking forward to welcoming you on board to become part of the family. Cheers, and I'll see you again on Thursday. Enjoy.